Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have another box opening. This is one you've seen before, but we just want to take another minute as we have purchased another one. Wanted to talk about why we purchased this one and if it's a good deal or not. Stay tuned. So guys, again, today we have the P166 combo pack. This is the Lithium HP, 2 of the 18 volt, 3 amp hour HP batteries, the compact charger, and the carry bag. They call this their fast charger starter kit, the compact fast charger starter kit. So let's talk about this real quick, and just to preface this a little bit, a battery, or the Ryobi batteries, on average are about $100. Obviously you can find some a little bit more expensive, some a little bit cheaper, but if you buy a single battery, on average you're gonna be usually around $100. So why is this a good or bad deal? Now, right off the bat, the fact that you're getting 2 of the batteries and a charger is a bonus. That's anytime you bundle things together, they're typically going to be a little bit better of a deal. The bag, personally, could take it or leave it. If you're into bags, or if you need somewhere to put your batteries and tools, bag's a great bonus, but that's not really where I see the value in this particular kit. The bonus is, or the benefit here is, typically you can find this kit between $100 and $160, so somewhere under $200. So right off the bat there, you're going to see a savings over the typical $100 charge. And again, you get the charger thrown in with this one. Anytime you can get a tool and a battery, or in this case, 2 batteries and a charger, it's going to be a little bit better of a deal. Now, the really cool thing about this one, and when we got this one, is during the Ryobi days. Usually twice a year, you're going to see the Ryobi days at Home Depot, where they've got really good deals, best time to buy Ryobi tools. And in this case, you buy this kit for $100 and you get a free tool with that. So you get a tool, 2 batteries, the charger, and the carry bag for $100. So really cool, really awesome deal. If you can find it, that's the best way to go. But again, like I said, even just buying this kit as it is a good savings or good deal. Now let's talk a little bit about the batteries themselves. These, again, are the 3 amp hour HP batteries. So they're not going to last quite as long as their 4 amp hour, the traditional 4 amp hour non-HP batteries, they're standard batteries, but because these are the HP batteries, these are actually going to perform better with those brushless tools. It talks about on the back just kind of the runtime, or how these perform with the HP battery and the brushless tools. What you're going to see is better battery performance and longer runtime is what it claims. Now, I haven't put them necessarily head to head. You can find other videos online that will do that, or that have done that. But in my just general experience with the Lithium Plus 4 amp hour batteries, they run just a little bit longer than these 3 amp hour batteries do with the same tool. And all that being said, let's get back to what's in this kit here. So again, 2 of the P191 3 amp hour lithium HP batteries, 1 of the P118B charger, and the tool bag and the operator's manual. Not much else to look at here, pretty straightforward, so we'll go ahead and just open this up like so. First out of the bag here, or the box, is the charger itself. And we really like these compact fast chargers. It's getting to the point where the battery's actually bigger than the charger, so kind of cool there. One thing we don't like about these new chargers is how big that wall plug is. It looks or feels like they've transferred some of the cores or something, put it into the wall piece instead of being in the base unit. and that's less desirable. It's going to take up more spots wherever you're plugging it in, or potentially block a port. But otherwise, really like the small size, makes it easy to transport. Next out of the box here, we have the operator's manual right there. And we'll pull out the bag, looks like. There we go. And this is an oversized bag, so obviously it's going to fit more tools than just the 2 batteries and the charger. So that is nice if you're going to throw a couple other tools in there. This is a good bag, and the quality isn't bad. Again, I don't find a lot of value in the bag itself, but it's not because it's not a quality bag. It definitely is very durable. They've put some oversized zippers. The handles may or may not last, but again, the bag in general is fairly durable. It's got some reinforced sidewalls as well. And then to the meat here, we've got 2 of the 3 amp hour batteries. So here is battery number 1. And here is battery number 2. Now, one thing I do with my batteries when I get these is go ahead and take our label maker and put down the month and year that the battery was purchased, or that we purchased the battery. We've also seen other comments or viewers that have suggested things like writing it on your operator's manual, keeping the operator's manual, writing the date on there, and matching these up in some way. Whatever way you use to record the life of the battery is going to help better track your usage. In this case, where we've got 2 batteries at the same time, so they're going to have the same month and year. I also want to put an A and a B or something like that, so that I don't use the same battery over and over. I can rotate through my batteries a little more effectively. Now, a couple things about these batteries that we really like. The first is the readout on the front. It's going to show you where the battery is at, what level it's at. Again, with the high performance or the HP batteries, these come with the reinforced bottom, so they've got kind of this rubber reinforced, and like all of the other ONE+ tools or ONE+ batteries, they're going to have the standard ONE+ connector and connector system. The other nice thing about these 3 amp hour batteries is they are a little bit smaller than the old 4 amp hours, which means that they're a little bit easier to get to, especially compared to the 6 and the 9 amp hour batteries, which are really difficult if you've got smaller hands to get at. The 3 amp hour seems to be a really good feel and fit. One last thing I want to talk about is why I've started specifically looking for HP batteries only. And that is because of the new connectors and the advanced technology they've put into the battery and into the brushless tools. In general, the HP batteries are going to be a little bit more expensive. We'll put up some of the numbers as they currently are right now, but as you can see, you can also get really good deals on these batteries, which makes the price difference not so much. And you can actually find these HP batteries in some cases less than their just standard lithium plus counterparts. And in our opinion, especially future-proofing your tool collection, getting a good battery that's going to last through the next generation of tools is really important. And that's why right now, when we're shopping for batteries, we're only looking at the HP line. Like I said, we wanted to keep this video short and sweet, but just wanted to point out again that in my opinion, you can never have enough batteries, and the more batteries you have, the longer runtime you're going to get with your tools. So if you can find a good deal where you get the tool and a battery at the same time, or in this case, 2 batteries and a charger, go for it. That's a really good deal. Always look out for those Ryobi days, usually sometime in the summer, and then sometime around Black Friday is when those are going to hit. This particular deal actually ran through January, especially where we're spending our money just like you guys have to spend yours. We're always looking for good deals on Ryobi tools. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, comment below to let us know what tool you want to see next. See you next time. And make sure to let us know Okay, very good. Here we are, there we are, right about here.